Welcome to Product Critique, where we take an in-depth look at the best products out there to help you make the smartest choices. Today, we're featuring the best Racketeer Stud Ball Magnet, a game-changing tool for all your stud finding needs. If you've ever struggled with inaccurate, battery-dependent stud finders, you're going to love this. The Racketeer Stud Ball is a magnetic stud finder that doesn't rely on batteries, giving you a simple, reliable, and powerful alternative. It uses a rare earth magnet with 27 pounds of pull power, allowing you to quickly detect metal behind drywall, ceramic tiling, and even up to 3/4-inch plywood paneling. Whether you're trying to locate nails, screws, or metal studs, this magnetic stud finder does it with incredible ease. What makes the stud ball stand out is its spherical design. This shape produces a higher magnetic field and reduces flux leakage, ensuring a strong and consistent pull every time. Unlike traditional stud finders, which can sometimes fail to give accurate readings or require frequent battery changes, the stud ball is always ready to go. It's reliable, fast, and precise, so you can trust it to find exactly where the metal is hidden. In just under a minute, you can find multiple studs in a wall with 5/8-inch drywall. The easy-to-use finger loop allows you to move the stud ball across the surface of the wall. And the magnet will immediately lock onto any metal it detects, pointing you to the exact location of screws, nails, or plates. It's one of the quickest and most efficient stud finders available on the market today. Plus, it's built to last. Since it's a magnet, there's no need to worry about it breaking or wearing out the way a traditional stud finder might. It's also compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around and store when not in use. Whether you're a professional tradesperson or a DIY enthusiast, the stud ball offers a simple yet effective solution for finding studs without the hassle of complicated gadgets. So, if you're looking for a no-fuss, reliable tool to help with your next project, the Racketeer Stud Ball should be at the top of your list. It eliminates the frustration of battery-operated models and provides a fast, accurate, and durable solution to finding studs. Say goodbye to unreliable stud finders, and say hello to your new best friend in construction and renovation. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss our latest reviews.